One of our recent implementations where the customer saw an enormous difference by the time the CAFM system was in place was in one of our NHS Trusts. They had historically been very, very manual heavy in terms of managing their system. And as you can imagine, within a hospital, there are multiple buildings, multiple people, multiple departments. And that's the environment where CAFM really comes into its own when you have these multi-building locations. By being able to install CAFM Explorer for the administrators and providing that really rich CAFM web product that we have for the engineers, they were able to see an enormous difference in the management of the work and ultimately the planning of the jobs and the preventative schedules that you can put in place meant that they were actually working far more efficiently and not doing unnecessary work that had been a problem for this trust historically.
The value that we deliver to customers is relevant sort of regardless of sector and also company size.